The cigar three part: filler, bundle, and wrapper for outside. Put your filler inside the bundle. The factory they uses the big machine. The name is press for cigar. Here not possible they use machine. They usually will leave the paper for press. Put the cigar for the paper, 4-5 hours the paper, 20-25 minutes the sun for dry. The cigar good press, the leaf for inside most dry.
Okay.
Now the special leaf for outside, the name is rubber. Finish 4-5 hours the paper, 20-25 minutes the sun for dry, and put the special leaf for outside.